Hey everybody, this is Randy the Mobile Traveler. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a little electrical work. Going to work on the solar just a tad bit. I'm going to eliminate one of the battery banks because batteries are bad. Come on back and I'll show you what we do. Okay, I am going to eliminate this battery bank. These two batteries are no good. I bought them used, of course, and one of them has one bad cell and the other has two bad cells in it. So they're not allowing my system to charge like it's supposed to. So I'm going to eliminate them and try to go without 235 amp hours. We're just going to go with those two batteries right there until I can get to a store and afford to buy more. It'll work good. Okay, safety first. Make sure that everything is top-notch order. You make sure your relays are off before you start connecting wires. Be safe, people. Just be safe. Okay, I'm going to get to work. I'll show you what the finished product is. Okay, what you're looking at is the finished product. Disconnected those two. So now I'm using these two batteries. 230 amp hours of batteries. Now, when you're working with electric, like I said, you got to be careful. Well, I inadvertently shorted out, if that's the words I want to look for, my inverter. So the inverter went kaplooey. Wouldn't work anymore. But I had a different one, so I installed one there. The system works great. Not good. Good. Now I had all the safety things in place that I need to be in place. Fuses, so on and so forth. We're good. Okay, we're going to come back in just a second so I can talk to you. Okay, let's hope that what I did today is going to be helpful to my system. I did lose, let's say half of the amp hours that I had before, but I really don't think those batteries were taking the right kind of charge anyway because of the dead cells. So we'll know tomorrow whether or not the two batteries that I have in there are going to be able to handle my needs. I cannot stress enough safety. After my last trailer, it kind of scares me. But not to the point of not doing it, as far as hooking up the electricity. I do know a little bit about, solar. And I do know that you have to have your fuses, your relays, all your switches in place. And I think I got a little bit overkill, but that's okay. Better safe than sorry. And I want you guys to know that. Better safe than sorry. If you really have any doubts on what you're doing, get help with it. Check, recheck, triple check your work before you plug anything in. Safety. That's what it's all about. Okay. Don't want to be a downer about things. How many of you guys know that I have a pet? I have a dog by the name of Ace. or Acer or AC or whatever you want to call him. So tomorrow, you guys are going to get to meet him. I'm going to get up close and personal with Ace, the Wonder Dog. I call him that because sometimes I wonder what in the Sam heck is he up to. All right. Thanks for joining me today. You guys have a great rest of the evening. Sorry this video is out so late. You be good. Be good to your fellow human being. Is that what I want to call them? Fellow human beings? Can't even talk. Be good to your neighbor. Take care of your brother and sister. Thanks for joining me. Bye, y'all.